Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where today we're taking a close look at the DREAME L40s Ultra AE robot vacuum and mop combo, a powerful, smart cleaning solution that combines a robot vacuum and mop in one sleek package. With 19,000 psi of suction power, self-emptying capabilities, and advanced cleaning features, it promises to keep your home spotless without much effort on your part. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE is built to tackle both fine dust and larger debris, making it a versatile tool for any home. With 19,000 PA suction power, it promises to lift everything from crumbs and oatmeal on hard floors to embedded hair and dust in carpets. This high suction capacity is crucial for performance, especially in homes with pets or heavy foot traffic, where debris can get deep into carpet fibers or accumulate in corners and gaps. The vacuum is equipped with smart brushes designed to handle a variety of messes. For larger debris, it uses a liftable rubber brush, which helps gather particles from floor gaps or thicker carpets, while the TriCut brush is specially designed to cut through long hair, preventing it from tangling around the brush roll, a common frustration for many robotic vacuums. MopExtend technology is another standout feature. It allows the mopping pad to expand and cover more area, especially around the edges and under furniture where dirt tends to hide. This is a huge benefit for users who want a thorough clean without having to maneuver their vacuum around every corner. Coupled with AI-powered 3D obstacle avoidance, the vacuum can navigate safely around over 120 types of obstacles, like cables, socks, and shoes. This feature ensures it avoids collisions, minimizing the risk of damage to furniture or other objects in the house. The vacuum's ability to reach deep into tight spaces and work around furniture makes it an excellent choice for homes with lots of obstacles. What truly sets the DREAME L40s Ultra AE apart is its self-emptying dock. The Power Dock base is an all-in-one station that handles more than just charging. It automatically empties the dustbin for up to 100 days, sparing you the hassle of frequent maintenance. This feature is particularly appealing for those who want a truly hands-free experience. The dock also offers a cleaning function for the mop, using 149 nanoper hot water to sanitize and hot air drying to ensure your mop is fresh and ready for the next round. This means no more dealing with dirty mopping pads or worrying about how to sanitize them after each use. With all this, the DREAME L40s Ultra AE sets the bar for self-sustaining cleaning systems, combining suction, mopping, and self-maintenance in a single device. In real-world use, the vacuum performs well across a variety of scenarios. On hard floors, it easily picks up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It transitions smoothly to carpets, where the 19,000 PA suction ensures it lifts embedded debris without any issues. The TriCut brush works wonders on long hair, preventing tangles, which is a common problem with many other robotic vacuums. However, for homes with heavy, thick carpets, it might struggle a bit, as some of the smaller, weaker robots do. When it comes to the mop, the extended pad coverage under furniture and along edges is impressive. You can literally set it and forget it, knowing that it's doing a thorough job. The self-emptying dock, while incredibly convenient, is not without its quirks. The emptying system is efficient, but depending on the size of your home and how often you use the vacuum, you might find the 100-day emptying interval a little optimistic. It's great for smaller to medium-sized homes, but larger homes might need more frequent maintenance. The mop washing function is fantastic, but there's still the occasional need for manual intervention if your floors are exceptionally dirty. Now, let's talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the suction power is top-notch for a robot vacuum. It's powerful enough to handle a wide range of surfaces, and the self-emptying dock and mop cleaning features make it incredibly low maintenance. Its ability to handle pet hair is impressive, especially with the TriCut brush. Plus, the obstacle avoidance and ability to clean tight spaces add real value. However, the weight and size of the vacuum can be a drawback for some users. While it's not excessively heavy, it might be a bit bulky for those with smaller homes or apartments. Also, while the self-emptying feature is fantastic, it's not always 100% perfect. Small debris can sometimes get caught in the bin, requiring a quick manual fix. Noise levels are manageable, but not completely silent. If you're sensitive to noise, it may be noticeable during operation, especially on higher suction settings. In terms of value for money, the DREAME L40s Ultra AE positions itself as a high-end option. Considering its suction power, advanced features, and hands-free upkeep, it's a solid choice for buyers looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution. However, its price point may be a bit high for those who only need basic vacuuming or mopping functions. For homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets, or for pet owners, this robot vacuum offers excellent cleaning power and convenience. If you don't mind the cost, it's a smart investment in maintaining a clean home with minimal effort. For comparison, similar models from brands like Roborock or iRobot offer competitive features, though they may lack the same level of mop cleaning and self-emptying technology. In terms of build quality, the DREAME L40s Ultra AE is well constructed. The plastics feel solid and the joints, hinges, and connections are durable. It's not the most premium feeling vacuum out there, but it's built to last. Maintenance is straightforward with easy to remove filters and a brush roll that doesn't require excessive effort to clean. The self-emptying system is the real standout here, ensuring you don't have to empty the dustbin yourself after every clean. For customer support, while I haven't had to directly interact with DREAME, the brand is known for being responsive to inquiries and offering solid after-sales support. The vacuum comes with a decent warranty, which adds peace of mind for users who might be concerned about longevity. In terms of longevity, based on the brand's reputation, this vacuum seems to be built to last. Though, as always with electronics, proper maintenance will go a long way in ensuring its long-term durability. Looking at competitors in 2025, the DREAME L40s Ultra AE stands out in terms of its all-in-one station and mop washing function. Brands like Roborock and iRobot do offer strong competition, particularly with advanced mapping and suction technology. However, they don't always feature the same self-maintenance solutions or the mop cleaning feature, which sets the L40s apart. For example, the Roborock S7 Max V offers similar suction and obstacle avoidance, but lacks a self-cleaning mop or the extensive dust emptying functionality of this model. In conclusion, the DREAME L40s Ultra AE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile, hands-off cleaning solution. Whether you're a pet owner, someone with allergies, or just looking for a more efficient way to maintain your home, this vacuum covers all bases. It's particularly well-suited for those who want the convenience of a self-emptying dock and an all-in-one cleaning station. However, its premium price tag means it's best for users who need high performance and don't mind spending a bit extra for a near fully autonomous cleaning experience. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the DREAME L40s Ultra AE, the link is in the comments box. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with this vacuum. Let's talk cleaning. Goodbye till next time. And remember, a clean house is a happy house.